drive. You learned to swim. You learned to lie. Keep something within. You learned to write. You learned to speak. You learned to care for other people's needs. You will learn how to live without him. You will learn how to live without. You learn to walk. You learn to breathe. You learn to fight, to get back on your feet. You learned to change. You learned to listen.